Welcome to the Mix, lovelies and friends. And on the Mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is speaking out, and there's a lot he has to say. So, guys, you have to go and catch the video to hear what Dwayne has to say. Guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my wonderful lovelies out there who celebrating their wonderful, beautiful birthdays today, I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and the prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, I wish you a beautiful day. And as I always say, live, love, laugh, not put a smile on someone else's face. And remember, you can only someone can only make you mad or upset, whatever, and take the smile from your face if you give them the power to do that. But apart from that, just live good, walk good, laugh, be happy all day, every day. Thank you.
Let me tell enough on this. We have wasted more than 5 years of our lives on people's BS. That 5 years, we can't get it back. We will never get back that 5 years. What if this goes on for another 5 more years? Now for we're going to be old people. Now for we are going to be old people. But me not only yet. 5 more years for me, it's going to bring me in my 40s. Someone it's going to be bringing up close to 60. Someone in their 70s. So that time I this in a plan. I saw the plan for the rest of the life for the rest of the days. I wired for people. And I bring down people for people. And the funny part was this whole thing. The people them battles is not your battles. Honestly, something like, I feel like so we are we're lost. We are the lost generation. We're lost. And to know that grown people out here have been the ones to pour gasoline on this stuff, on this onslaught, on this riot. And you know when we realize them like to do? Pass blame onto each other. Not for them ever say I'm my fault. Poor me. What have I done? Nothing. I've done nothing. All I did was promoted that mix-up or promoted that gossip. That was the only hand I played in this. But yet still, a lot of them, they want to hate me. They want to hate me because I promoted that mix-up from all of them. The question you must ask yourselves is, did I tell any of them to go do those mix-up? No. I did not. They chose to do those things by themselves. So what's wrong if I promote it? If they did it? See, a lot of you out here, you have been bamboozled. A lot of you have been sideswiped. You don't even realize you are being controlled. And that is so sad. 5 years. How many days are 5 years? More than 1,000 days. How many days are 5 years? Watch there. 1,826 days, 0.21 days. Well away. All of us, including me, have spent on people's BS. Now ask them how many hours was that we wasted on the people's BS. Can we get it back? Seconds, can we get it back? Can you get it back? I hope it's made your life better though. I hope you made a lot of money. I hope you're even more voluptuous and more thicker and fatter and richer. I hope you are. Because darling, if the answer is no, it is full time on a jump off of the mad wagon, jump off of the mad train, jump off of the people them nonsense and make them go and take their own nonsense to the good Lord in prayers. You understand? Take them bullshit to the good Lord in prayers. Go and pray about it. Ask God for clarity. God is the only entity who can intervene. We can't do nothing. Why should you people remain bitter for the rest of your life on people you don't know? Do you know these people? You know them? Wanna know we? Do you know me? Do you know any of them? No. But every day enough fun one get up. Every day enough fun one get up. Can take on people. Perhaps vendetta against other people. For what reason? What is your enough for you? Need to go find your purpose in life. I too was trying very hard. I'm still trying very hard to find my purpose. I try hard to find it. But maybe this for me right now might just be my purpose, to open people's minds, to open people's perception of how they view the world and view people. Maybe. What is your purpose? Go find your purpose and put on the people them nonsense and put on the people them war. You don't know these people. Relax and stop taking life so serious. And that's on the God I love too. Anyways, enough of that. Let's move on to bigger things. Let's move into bigger things, yes. You know what? This person is a mad person. She's mad. I don't care what no one says. This person is a druggy, a mad individual, and she needs help. I'm looking at this person and oh my God, may God have mercy on you, girl. Look at her. You are listen, I don't care. This person is a disgrace to humanity. I don't business. God curses me because of the truth, me I tell you. You realize, right? Let me show you guys something. So yesterday I came out, right? I did a live stream, and I'm very sure in that live stream I spoke very, very well, because there comes a time in our life. I'm a chat Jamaican. There comes a time in our life where we say, yo, find peace or find something that is more meaningful and put down the bullshit we are used to day in, day out. I feel in my heart I did nothing wrong, but clearly some people them feelings, them vex about it, right? They are very, very mad about it. Do I care? No. Because to show you how I don't care, imagine, now for them they did a good 4 to 5 lives after I did one live, and to show you how my words connected and hit them like a ton of bricks. Even as early as this morning, 8 a.m. UK time, this person was in a live stream talking to one person, and it jumped to 8 people on the live stream venting about the things I said. And after they did a good 3 or 4 live streams before that. You see, words are powerful. Our words can be very powerful, and I know for a fact I hit a nerve on especially 2 of them. I hit a nerve on 2 of them. I know it would hit a nerve on me too. It would. Guys, please share this live stream. I'm asking you kindly, please share this live. It doesn't make sense, and if it don't make sense, block me. If it don't make sense, please block me. Feel free to block me. In fact, no, don't share. Hi, Gemma. Good afternoon to you. Good morning. Good afternoon. Gemma, which country now? Which country? Are you in the UK, or are you in US, Jamaica, Canada? Which country? You know, someone never asked you this. I've never asked you this before. Imagine that. I never asked you this. The blouse and skirt. Oh, good afternoon. Good morning to you. Time in America. Time in the United States of America. Good afternoon to you, Gemma. Good afternoon to you. It's a afternoon in Washington, D.C. I don't know which part of there. Anyway, you're there, big up yourself here. Just big up to you. Big up to you. Big up to you. Big up to you. Yeah, I got that time, so I was right. Okay, cool. Cool. So let's get into my show. First and foremost, we are going to deal with a very mad individual. Very, very mad, and I don't care. This person is a mad person. And bear in mind, I only scrutinized just a very small portion of the things that was said about me and about other people. Well, about me based on the things I said yesterday. A very small amount. And even the small amount I listened to, like, I know I hit a nerve on you. I know for a fact I hit a nerve on you. I know. And I know you're very upset because you didn't do the right thing. You should have done the right thing, and maybe we would have not been here. We wouldn't. We would not be here. And this goes for all of you. I'm watching all of you like hawks. Please be careful, because anytime I see any of you step out of line, I'm going to come out here and I'm going to correct you people. Maybe this is my purpose. And people, let me tell you, before going on my show, before I go in my show, let me tell you, all of you, this. I don't feel I owe any platform holder an apology based on my actions I've shown out here, right? However, what I do owe is the followers. I do owe, if not all of them, I owe some of the followers a sincere apology for my part and my behavior, how I've conducted myself in social media. I'm very sorry. Yes, I know I've apologized before, but those apologies to me, I kind of backtracked and I didn't mean it. However, now I know where I want to go. I want to tell the followers, if no one else at all, I want to tell the followers, my good followers, please accept my sincerest apology for my bad behavior. Please accept my apology for the way I've conducted myself out here. Yes, I know it was not pleasing. Yes, I know I was not doing the right thing. However, at the time, I did feel like I was doing the right thing, right? I did feel like I was doing the right thing, because clearly that's what people perhaps wanted. I know now I've wronged a lot of people. I know now I've let down a lot of my good followers, right? I know, I do know. I know I've let down myself. I know I've let down my mother. I know I've let down some of my family. They chose to not even watch me no more because of the way I was conducting myself on my page. And you know, I'm really sorry to my people, and all I can do moving forward is put my best foot forward, and just know whenever I come my live stream, if it's not something that's gonna make sense, I just won't come in my live. Because if I do come in here, I know when I don't have nothing to talk about, I just come in here and I just eat up myself, and then I perhaps start cursing people, and I don't want that for my life. I really don't want that for my life anymore, because it's not adding any value in my life. It's not adding nothing substantial in my life. It's you know, all it does is give me raised adrenaline and raised blood pressure and me being angry at people, and I don't want that. I don't want that for me, right? I know a lot of you might think, oh, this is a conductor boy, and that's because people have already put that perception in your minds about me. And yes, it's my own fault for not doing my best before to change that perception of to change that mindset that you guys have about me. It's my own fault. However, I know I'm there now, and all I can do is my best. And my best is all I have. And if people can't accept me for me, then it better want to just go on and leave me alone, and let people come to me who's gonna appreciate me for me, and I just eat that. Like, at the end of the day, I don't know. It's only the good salvation is gonna last forever. Only the good salvation, and that's it. One of these days, we're gonna look back and say, "Oh my God, where did time go?" And by that time, perhaps it's gonna be too late. So But for now, I'm doing my best to make the right changes, the necessary changes in my life to try to be a better human being. You realize maybe I talk good, and nothing. Some of them just come off the quiet because them don't want to hear. But that, I don't give one backside. And people like on the want to come off my page a long time because on is not good people, and he's only like to push up some people and bring them some people like myself, Tina Chin, Marcia Campbell, among other people that you people think are the lowest on the lower grade or the lower scale of the what you guys see, the food chain, the tree, whatever you want to call it. I'm not on no damn low tree. I'm who I am, and if you guys choose to not accept me for me, then I'm in a business. I want to attract people to me for me and me only, not for you guys to come over here for other people. And yeah, so my apologies to everyone who my followers, not no platform. I don't want no platform with no apology. I don't owe none of them no apology, but to the followers, my followers who I've somewhat let down, I'm sorry. I will do my best to do better. And all I can do, just bear with me, okay? Please just bear with me. And just bear with me, right? It won't happen in one day, but trust me, I am on the right. Me up on the right road now. You understand? So I just did that. Who don't want to believe me? I just so me not really care anyway. Cause not for you don't like me already, so I just So let's get into it. Yesterday I did a live stream, and I think in my heart I spoke very well. I did speak well. And I perhaps put some I'm trying to find the right word. I'm coming. Don't want people gonna figure say, I'm bitter. I'm not bitter. I put in some good pointers. However, some people, they felt a way about my pointers. Like Stacy. People, let me tell you about Stacy. Some years ago, I met Stacy. She came to my page. I then decided to put Stacy out to the world. And sooner or later, Stacy started to rub shoulders with people. And then she clearly lost herself. She lost herself that I actually felt was a good person to put out to the world. Right? And Stacy, I'm going to tell you that you really are a disgrace to humanity. You are a disgrace to your gender. You are. And I don't care how you want to take it. I'm telling you the truth. You are a disgrace to your gender. Because bear in mind, you get up every day. Most days you get up, you are on people. So why can't someone come out here and try to correct you for the things you're saying? I'm not saying I can't take correction too, because I can. None of us out here is too grown enough to take correction from people, especially ones who is trying to steer us in the right direction. Yes, Stacy, I know I've done some very bad things out here. I know I've cussed out a lot of people out here. I've cussed a lot of people out here. I know, Stacy. I know. You hear me? Am I proud of it? No. Will I take it back? No. But what I will do is do my best moving forward to not make those things happen again. However, you, Stacy, among others, have been a thorn in people's backs, a thorn in people's lives. Stacy, don't you know the way you people are behaving towards other people? You may just push people to go and commit the big S. Is this what you people want? Stacy, no man or woman is this hateful towards people